Everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I look a little bit of a mess. I just got off of work. So yeah, my hair is a little frizzy and I look a little crazy, but I just wanted to jump on here and just sort of check in with you guys. I know it's been a few weeks since I've been on. I really appreciate all the outpouring and support and love that you guys have sent me, through my posts, my community posts and Instagram, Facebook. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, my sister passed away on the 15th of March. She had been sick for a long time, but she passed sort of unexpectedly. So my brother and I weren't able to make it there in time. So it's been a little difficult to deal with that, obviously. So I haven't been recording or filming or anything like that. So just needed to take some time off and sort of process things. I'm feeling a little better. And I feel like I need to start filming again because that really is therapy for me. People who have hobbies and things like that are, how that is, when you have that hobby, it's therapy. And yeah, it just makes you feel better. And that's what filming and makeup does for me. I definitely am going to start recording again. And yeah, just checking in with you guys. There's a lot going on, obviously, with all this stuff going on in the world. It's been a very scary and difficult time, I think, for everybody. I work in a major hospital here in the area, so it's definitely scary going into work every day and seeing firsthand, what is going on. We're luckily in this area, we don't have a whole bunch of cases yet, but we are gearing up for that because people are still not listening to, instructions in regards to social distancing. And I feel like because it's not so widespread here in the area just yet, and I say just yet because I know it's coming, that people are sort of just treating this like a vacation. And it's really scary to see how many people are just totally disregarding, these instructions about staying home and just being safe and social distancing. So yeah, it's definitely nerve-wracking working in a hospital and seeing everything firsthand, that's happening and that's going to continue to happen and get worse. So that's been very stressful. I know everybody's stressed out about that. Yeah, there's just been a lot going on top of that. I have cats. You guys know I have 3 cats, and 2 of them have had major illnesses over the last couple months on top of everything else, to where they've needed to be hospitalized. And it's just been extremely stressful in my household the last month or 2 months. So I just wanted to just jump on here and check in with you guys. I'm still here. We're okay. Besides the other things, sorry, I have you guys propped up on my steering wheel and it's a mess. And my neighbor is probably like, what the fuck is she doing out there? I wanted to hop on here and just, give you guys an update. Tell you guys thank you so much for, like I said, all the outpouring of love and support. Thank you guys for allowing me to take some time off to just sort of process things as best as I can. But yeah, I'm definitely ready to start recording again for you guys. I hope all you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys are all okay, work-wise. I know that a lot of people are out of work and have lost their jobs or are furlonged or, working at home. It's stressful for everybody. So I hope everybody is doing okay. And yeah, I just wanted to say hi. Hopefully I can go ahead and get my life a little bit together and get some stuff recorded for you guys. It's like I said, I'm still working full time. So it's sort of hard to work videos in. And like I said, I've had some cats that have been severely ill to where we've needed to take a lot of aftercare for them at the house. But yeah, things just seem to be on that end calming down just a little bit as everything else, I guess, is revving up. I don't even know. It's just a really, really crazy situation everybody's in. So hope you guys are doing okay. Let me get off of here, all this rambling. Yeah, I will see you guys soon.